Hey guys, Oleg from SourceDomination.net here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily find out how many pages you have on your website. And I recorded this tutorial specifically for my technical SEO guide, and I did it in order to show you how you can identify indexation rate of your website. So as I explained in the guide, first of all you need to find out how many pages you have on your website, right? So if your website is small, you have relatively low amount of pages, under 100, so you can do it manually, but again, who wants to do it manually, right? You can use tool. So if you have a large site with thousands of pages, you definitely need to use tool, because it will take you days just to find it out. Now in this case I'm using a software called Screaming Frog. It's a SEO spider, so it's free for up to 500 pages, and over 500 pages you need to buy a license from the software developer. So I dropped a link to this software on my guide, and you can access my guide from the description of this video. Now let's start the actual process here. So you need to enter your website URL here in the field. I entered mine and I click start, and the software starts crawling your entire website. So it will return in the end a lot of useful information, but we are not going to I'm not going to show you every single information what this tool returns, because it's insane amount of info. So we are going to concentrate only on the amount of pages that this software says that your website has. Okay, so now it's 100%, and what we need to do, we need to stay in this internal tab, but we need to do some filter here. We need to apply filter. So why we do this? Because like if you check the amount of results provided by this software, you'll see it's 165 results. Okay, and this 165 results is not what you need, because majority of these results are files like CSS, JavaScript, PDFs, images, all kind of other files that hosted on your server on this website, and we need only HTML pages. So what we do, we just filter it by HTML. Now it will show you after that that my website, and this is new blog, SEO blog, it will show 35 results. Okay, so it's great. Now next thing what we need to do is to actually identify which pages are good and which are not good, and I will explain what I mean by that. So let's say this tool shows you, as I mentioned previously, this tool crawls your entire website. It means that it will show here all the pages, even those pages that you disallowed in your robots.txt file, and you disallowed by robots meta tag. Okay, so it means that you did it for in purpose, right? You did it for a reason that you don't want search engines to see those pages and index them. So you need to get rid of those pages. You need to just omit them, okay? Because otherwise it will skew our data, our indexation rate. Another thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that you look only on the pages, on the URLs that return 200 status. Okay, and it means that, for example, 301 redirects, 404s, we need to ignore those. Now if I ignore all those 301s and 404, it brings in total there are 6 of those. So since I know that I didn't disallow any URLs in my robots.txt and in my by the robots meta tag, so I know that all these pages are good. So what I need to do now, I need to deduct these 6 pages with not 200 OK status from the 35. So it's gonna bring us to 35 minus 6. It's gonna bring us to 29. So 29 pages, basically this tool says that 29 pages I have on my website. So I would show you the actual amount of the pages through my CMS system, and this is actually 29. So this tool is quite accurate. It's not always, you know, the bigger the website, it will give you less accurate results, but it's pretty accurate to use it. So now we basically, in this tutorial I showed you how you can find the amount of the pages on your website. So from here, once you have this number, you will need to go to the second step that I recorded on my second video. So just go to my technical SEO guide, and there you will find my second video, and I am explaining how you can from here how you can find out your indexation rate. So if this video was helpful to you, please like it, and I will see you on my other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.